There's Matthew Huish here, just giving a quick update. I'm here in High Leigh, which is a gorgeous location in Hertfordshire. It's a Christian retreat centre where we've just finished our Council of Communities meeting. I want to introduce the Chair of the Council of Communities, Jonathan Bateman, to tell you something briefly about it.
Hi everyone. So we just finished our Council of Communities meeting. We had some really good training sessions yesterday on the interaction with the media and also mentoring. I think people could take away some really useful points from that, and some more general discussions on the Sunday morning just now. But I think we had a pretty good weekend.
Right, so I hope that our brothers and sisters who are here representing your communities will be able to return and share with you some of the blessings they've been able to receive this weekend. For now, I just want to draw your attention to the publicity about the annual Gathering Festival taking place next month. So if you go to our website, you'll see some posts there. There's a link to the place where you can register to participate at the annual Gathering Festival. And at the same place, you can book a stall if you're interested. You can submit some artwork if you want to participate in the art gallery. You can submit a sports team to participate in some of the sport competitions. You can nominate somebody for the Grace Miller Award. There's a whole host of things there. So have a look, and I hope to see you at the annual Gathering Festival in a month's time.